Ah, my crystal ball. It is telling me there is going to be an unboxing soon. Oh my lord. Oh no. Oh, there we go. Lettering. Well, what do you know? It was right. This thing is so cool. Well, hello friends. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hello. And if you are returning, hello. I'm Jazz, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing for a new subscription box. This is beelucia? I don't know. It's from the company Wellness Candles, which, if I'm not mistaken, is a somewhat fairly new-ish company, candle company. This is their first ever monthly subscription box, which contains a candle and, wait for it, a crystal. And because I am terrible at doing my own research, we're just going to read directly from the Instagram page. Every month they send you a 3-inch ethically sourced natural crystal and a candle from their other line, which is Wellness Candles. I love candles and I love crystals, so this was just the most amazingly perfect subscription box for me. Also, I paid for this with my own money, so this is not a sponsored. They did not send me this box. So why can't I talk? So each month is going to have a theme, and this month's theme is cleansed. And they sent us a Moonstone, which is one of my favorites. So I'm really excited. Alrighty, so this is what the box looks like when you open it. You get a little card here. This is the Crystal Intention Guide, and it just talks about like the moonstone that comes in the box and extra information. That's a lot of room for only 2 things. Ooh, and you get this really nice pouch. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so cute. Look at this. And like, it's like furry here. This is so cute. I love this pouch. Okay, it doesn't feel like it's 3 inches. I don't know. I don't know measurements. So the candle is spearmint, lemongrass, rosemary, and grapefruit. So it's supposed to be a very fresh smelling candle. This is a really nice box too. I might just keep the box because I have a habit of not throwing things away. Also, the candle itself has crystals infused into it on the top. Ooh. Okay, well, my camera stopped recording, so I just did the whole entire outro, and now I have to do it again. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching. That was my unboxing on the all-new subscription box for Wellness Candle. So I'm gonna put the information for everything in my description box below, so you can go and check it out. Again, I'm not sponsoring. I paid for this with my own money, and I just really like this idea because I love candles and I love crystals. So I will talk to you later in my next video, and follow me on Instagram and subscribe to me and thumbs up this video and all of the fun stuff. Alrighty, I'm gonna go now. I don't know.